Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of how to add a chat to a custom list on WhatsApp. This is a fantastic way to organize your chats, whether it's for work, family, or just keeping track of your favorite contacts. WhatsApp's custom lists feature lets you group chats into specific categories, making it easier to manage and prioritize conversations. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. This works for both iPhone and Android users, so no matter what device you have, the steps will be the same. Now, find the chat you want to add to a list. Once you've located the chat, tap and hold on it. This will bring up a menu of options. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Add to List. After tapping Add to List, a list of your custom lists will appear. Simply select the list you want to add the chat to. If you don't have a list yet, you'll need to create one by tapping the plus button in the filter bar at the top of your Chats tab. You can name your list whatever you like, such as family, work, or friends. Once you've selected the list, tap Done. Congratulations, you've successfully added a chat to a custom list. You can add multiple chats to the same list, making it easy to organize all your contacts. To manage your lists, you can rename a list by long pressing on its name and selecting Rename. You can also delete a list by long pressing and selecting Delete. And that's all there is to it. With custom lists, you'll be able to find important conversations quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.